guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to pop in here and say hi so that you guys know that I'm still around. I know I'm not uploading as regularly as before because I'm just really tied up lately. My master's study has started. I've got tons of tareas, homework, or presentation, group work, challenge, all kinds of stuff going on. And then on top of that, I'm doing an internship. That being said, I will still try to upload as often as I can. Currently, I'm doing a master at La Universidad Europea de Madrid. So my major is called Communication and Digital Entrepreneurship, which is basically digital marketing in my opinion. So I know a lot of you guys follow me for language study tips, life in Spain, Spanish study kind of thing, but now that I've started my uni life, I'm thinking maybe every once in a while I can share with you guys a thing or two that I learned in class, which I think can be potentially helpful and useful for you guys as well. So today I want to share with you guys some of the Google search tricks. The professor actually mentioned these tricks by chance in class the other day, but the funny thing is none of us knew these search tricks, and he was like, I can't believe that you guys are studying digital marketing but you don't know how to do proper Google search. So today I'm gonna share some of these tricks with you guys. The core idea of all these tricks is that Google is a giant robot, and we as a user of this big robot, we gotta learn how to give proper commands to Google so that it does what exactly we want it to do. So without further ado, let's get started.
Trick number 1 is to use quotes to search for something specific. For example, if we want to search for information about Pedro Sanchez, the Spanish Prime Minister, if we only type in the search bar Pedro Sanchez, look, we got over 100 million search results. The engine will search for any content that contains one of these two words, which is not exactly what you're looking for. However, if we search it in quotes, we only got 3 million search results. By using quotes in the search engine will search for that specific phrase as a whole, exactly as you typed it. Trick number 2, use cite: This trick will come in handy if you want to search for certain content on a certain website. For example, if you want to search for articles about electricity rates in Spain, but only on New York Times. The syntax is cite:nytimes.com, electricity rates in Spain. So I want to quickly point out a few things here. First of all, there's no space between colon and the URL, so this whole thing should be typed out altogether. Secondly, you want to put the exact URL of the source. For example, the web address of New York Times is not newyorktimes.com, but nytimes.com. If you put the wrong URL there, nothing's gonna come up. Lastly, the content you want to search for can either go before this structure or after it, and between these two things, there should be a space. Trick number 3 is to do math on Google. Honestly, before I never knew that you could use Google as a calculator, but apparently you can. And to activate a calculator, you just need to type in Google any math problem. For example, 4 times 5 plus 9, and there's your calculator and your result. Last but not the least, Google can help convert numbers to words. I don't know about you guys, but it always takes me extra effort to read out loud a very large number. For example, let me just randomly type out a really large number. So if you want this number in form of words, what you do is you type the equal sign and then English, and bam, there you go.
So what I just shared are just tricks that I find useful for me. There are actually tons of other tricks out there, so I hope it's helpful for you guys, and I'll see you guys next one. Ciao!